Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Loravento.com. So if you don't know what this site is, we have it here opened up on the website. So if you don't know what they are, they sell watches. So as you can see, it's their own brand. So it's the Loravento Skeleton Automatic Ivory Steel. And this one is the Skeleton Automatic Sapphire Steel, which both cost $950, which is a really high price. So this brand must be luxury or luxurious. And as you can see right here, these ones cost $800. And there's also for women. As you can see, these look like the Cartier Santos and a lot more. So if you're wondering if this is legit or not, I'll have it here open up on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 3.2 out of 5 stars with only 25 reviews. So let's read some reviews here. Don't fall for the scam. Since I brought the watch, I haven't sent them many emails to cancel my order. I've sent them many emails. Your order isn't correct. So professional scam. Excellent service. So 5 stars. Drop shippers. Beautiful woman watches and a lot more. Drop shipping. So basically, their main issue is a lot of people are saying that they are drop shipped. So please guys, if you really want to buy expensive watches, I would buy branded watches that are more famous rather than this one, since this is not that famous yet, and yeah, they do have a chance of being drop shipped. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.